together. Radio Manu 91, where it's always better. Where it's always better. Yo, सुबह का सूरज या शाम का रंग, we bring you joy हर जुबान का धन. Community की बात हम हैं आपके साथ, let's spread the love, चलो मिल के साथ. Tune in, turn up, दिल से बात करो. Radio Manu 92 FM के साथ चलो. Every voice counts, हर लम्हा यहाँ. चलो बात करके देखते हैं, let's all shine on. Yo, let's all go. सेहत की बात और dreams to share. Radio Manu 92 FM, we're always there. From unity to joy, we bring the light. Every word, every tune makes everything right. Listen up, it's time to unite. Radio Manu 92 FM, shining bright. Dill se suno, we love and care. चलो बात करके देखते हैं, let's take it there. So join me, come along for the ride. Radio Manu 92 FM, we're by your side. चलो बात करके देखते हैं. Your voice, your guide.
ये है रेडियो मानू 90.0 FM. चलो बात करके देखते हैं.
This is Radio Manu 90.0 FM, presenting Champs on Air.
आदाब दोस्तों, वेलकम अगेन टू रेडियो मानू 90.0 FM. दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट आरजे श्रद्धा और ये है चैम्प्स ऑन एयर, जहां हर एक छोटी सी आवाज लेकर आती है एक बड़ी कहानी. दोस्तों, ये सिर्फ एक शो नहीं बल्कि जश्न है बचपन के टैलेंट्स का, बच्चों की मेहनत और उनके उन खास इमोशंस का जो सीधे दिल को छू जाते हैं. आज हमारे स्टूडियो में आए हैं एक ऐसे चैम्प जिनकी उम्र तो है कम लेकिन अपनी कला में है ये कमाल. तो दिल की गहराइयों से और जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करते हैं हमारे आज के इमेंसली टैलेंटेड, सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट और ट्रूली इंस्पायरिंग गेस्ट का, जिनका नाम है कैवल्य.
हेलो एवरीवन.
तो कैवल्य, ये बताओ कि तुम्हें स्टूडियो में आके कैसा लग रहा है?
Once I come into the studio, I feel good because actually with our teacher we've been going to like the studio and to practice making songs and tunes and jingles. So once you repeatedly go into that environment, you feel kind of safe and secure and comfortable. That's the right word around this way. So yeah.
ओके. तो इससे पहले देखिए, आपके जो है ना पास में रखा हुआ है एक बड़ा सा और बहुत ही किसको कहना चाहिए, स्टनिंग कीबोर्ड.
Stunning. अब बहुत सारे न्यू वर्जन्स आ गए हैं ये. Yeah, this is like a old model. Like I bought it like my family bought it like 2 years ago, I think.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
लेकिन अभी बहुत सारे इसके नए मॉडल्स ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं मार्केट में. एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बाय अ न्यू वन.
ना, अभी इससे ही काम चला होगा.
ओके. लेकिन इससे पहले कि तुम्हारी उंगलियां इस पर अपनी हरकतें करें और तुम हमारी ऑडियंस को अपने म्यूजिक से मंत्रमुग्ध कर दो, मैं उससे पहले चाहती हूँ कि हमारे जो लिसनर्स हैं वो कैवल्य के बारे में जाने. कैवल्य क्या है? तो जस्ट टेल मी, तुम्हारे क्या मेन इंटरेस्ट्स हैं अदर देन म्यूजिक? आप कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हो, कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो, कौन से आपके फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, जो कुछ भी बता सकते हो.
Okay, sure. So I'm Kaivalya Rawat and I am studying in 9th currently. I've gone to 9th and I study in Oak Ridge International School. So school near Khajaguda. So some of my interests other than music is art because I like to do art. I have been doing art since a long time under guidance of a teacher. And other interests include swimming. Like one of the sports I do, swimming. I used to do football before, but then my interest dropped. But then now for health and for mainly health, I do swimming.
Okay.
And then the favorite subjects I would say in my school would be math, science, because I like math and science because it gives new insights into the way we live. Like it shows how nature and all of our machines around us, mechanics, it works. And uh, I would like to add like some things I dislike and like about the school
Okay.
because it would give a broader opinion on it.
Mhm.
Things I like about the school is they have good facilities.
Okay.
Like they have a PD and DD lab, that's digital design, product design. So
Hmm.
basically, once you go into ninth,
Mhm.
there's a course that you can take. It's called extended. Okay,
Mhm.
and in that you can do product design, digital design. So in that you design like physical products and like digital products on various platforms.
Mhm.
We have like 3D printers of many sorts. Yeah, we also have a laser cutter. So there are many great facilities for us to use our creativity.
And the positive change that you would like to bring about, or you might see that it will take your school to newer heights.
Okay, I wouldn't think of this as like a large problem, but then it's mainly for the security of the students.
Okay.
So our school, it has only one access road.
Mhm.
So our school gives two transport options. It's home transport and bus transport. So I'm in home transport, so I know about this. The parking over there is really congested. Like people park in like two lines. The cars, they park in two lines, so it's really hard to get out. So basically, it makes crossing the road to your car or just,
A little unsafe.
yeah, like little unsafe. So
Mm.
if there was like a designated parking spot, it would be way better. Like it would be way safer for the students and parents.
आई होप कि आपके स्कूल के जो एडमिन वाले लोग हैं वो इस प्रोग्राम को सुने एंड दे विल टेक दिस सजेशन एज अ वेरी पॉजिटिव इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव
yeah.
वे या अच्छा अभी ये बताओ कि म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट कब से शुरू हुआ
So I got interested in music since I was like 6 years old actually. So my parents started me into music early on. So I don't think I was very interested in the first because I remember while I was doing keyboard, my sir was telling me the notes on the keyboard. So in the keyboard, the notes are A B C D E F G. It's in a scale. It's like C D E F G A B C.
हाँ हाँ
So basically, what I thought it would be like the letters of the alphabet. So
Ah.
I just kept reciting the letters of the alphabet, and then he told that there's no H, there's no I.
okay
Like basically, there's only like 8 notes in music that you use. So yeah. So I don't think I was very talented at first. I was a bit slow to pick up, and but it took time and practice to.
like how much time
I
that
think
you really got interested in like you know playing
yeah.
keyboard
See, so basically, I had to do my first exam, my first Trinity exam, and then I really was underprepared. I was very underprepared. I didn't know any of the songs, no scales, nothing. So we had to do it all in a rush, and that too in my marks of the exam, I did not get well. So after that, I strived to do better in piano, so I would not have the same result again. And yeah, I saw the results after that.
दैट्स ग्रेट अभी क्या है ना कि सिर्फ बातें तो म्यूजिक की होती रहे तो ये तो बड़ी ना इंसाफी हो जाएगी और ना इंसाफी ये हमारी डिक्शनरी में हम ये शब्द रखते नहीं है तो क्यों ना तुम कुछ प्ले करो और फिर हम कुछ और बात करें
Sure. Yes.
सो व्हाट आर यू प्लेइंग
I'm playing Pehla Nisha since it's a Fafra song. Yeah. I
तो
mean,
वही सिकंदर
हाँ, जो जीता वही सिकंदर. I recently watched the movie. I also liked it. Yeah, Khan. all that.
यस यस God, you know, my throat is so bad. I was about to like start singing,
हाँ.
लेकिन मैंने कहा नहीं, लोग बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाएंगे. इतना प्यारा, इतनी अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस थी. थैंक यू सो मच. ये बताओ मुझे कि तुम इतना अच्छा जो है कीबोर्ड बजाते हो, तुमको क्या लगता है? आई मीन, वुड यू लाइक टू टेक इट एज अ करियर इन फ्यूचर? आई मीन, कहीं दिमाग में कभी ख्याल?
Yeah. So first, I would like to set the line between career and hobby.
ओके.
So a hobby is something you do just to like make yourself passionate about it. Like so, right now I could say it was a hobby, but then a career is something that gives you profit and money. Or
Sustenance of life.
yeah, sustenance for life and also experience, like good experience. So right now, as I told in the very start of the podcast, we are going with our sir to our studio to make like commercial songs, like not to make but just to like introduce ourselves to that kind of environment. So I wouldn't say I've really chosen a path, but then I would say that I would like to experience both. I've already experienced a hobby, but then yeah, I would like to go to the studio more so I could see like how the environment over there is. I'm also in a live band with our sir,
Uh-huh.
so we've been doing a
Is
couple
there
of
any
jams.
name to that band?
No, we
Okay, not
we
yet.
actually haven't decided a
नामकरण संस्कार नहीं हुआ है दोस्तों, हो जाएगा लेकिन. Okay, that's really great to know about all of it. अच्छा, ये बताओ कि म्यूजिक में तुमने कीबोर्ड ही क्यों चुना? I mean, there are so many other instruments,
yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah. So since an early age, I was into keyboard because we had a keyboard in our home, and then it used to play a lot of songs. I don't remember which ones, but I know they used to play songs, and I was very interested by them. And also, I used to hear songs on my car or in my home because we had a speaker system. We used to listen to a lot of Hindi songs, English songs, Western songs. So I guess I could say that I was brought to the keyboard.
Inclined to it.
Yeah. So I remember sitting near the keyboard and just listening all of the songs that are embedded into it, like one by one. So and trying to learn them on the keyboard myself. So yeah, that's the way I connected myself to like keyboard.
तो ये जो आपकी कला है, इसका हम और कमाल देखेंगे, लेकिन अभी हो चला है वक्त एक छोटे से ब्रेक का. So please don't mind दोस्तों, हम बस अभी गए और अभी आए.
आप सुन रहे हैं चैम्प्स ऑन एयर, रेडियो मानो 90.0 एफएम का चिल्ड्रंस शो.
This is Radio Manu, a community radio station.
So join the wave, come along for the ride. Radio Manu 90.0 FM, we're by your side. चलो बात करके देखते हैं.
Your voice, your guide.
Let's listen to History's Mysteries.
दोस्तों, हिस्ट्रीज मिस्ट्रीज नाम का खैर मकदम है. मैं हूं आरजे उबैद और आज हम बात करेंगे रोहिणी सीरीज का पहला भारतीय सैटेलाइट रोहिणी 1 के बारे में. हिंदुस्तान की खिलाई तजुर्बों में एक अहम मोड़ 10 अगस्त 1979 को आया जब हमने अपना पहला सैटेलाइट रोहिणी 1 खिला में भेजने की कोशिश की. ये सैटेलाइट इसरो ने तैयार किया था और इसका मकसद हिंदुस्तान में तैयार करदा रॉकेट के जरिए सैटेलाइट को ज़मीन के मदार में भेजना था. रोहिणी 1 को भारत में ही बनाए गए लॉन्च व्हीकल SLV-3 से लॉन्च किया गया. ये रॉकेट मशहूर साइंसदान और बाद में हिंदुस्तान के सदर बनने वाले डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम की क़यादत में तैयार किया गया था. रोहिणी 1 का वज़न तकरीबन 35 किलोग्राम था और ये ज़मीन के निचले मदार में डाटा इकट्ठा करने और लॉन्च टेक्नोलॉजी को आजमाने के लिए बनाया गया था. ताहम पहली कोशिश में रॉकेट अपने टारगेट तक ना पहुंच सका और सैटेलाइट मुकर्ररा मदार में दाखिल नहीं हो पाया. ये नाकामी हमारे साइंसदानों के हौसले को कम नहीं कर सकी. इसरो ने अपनी मेहनत जारी रखी और अगले ही साल 18 जुलाई 1980 को रोहिणी सीरीज़ का अगला सैटेलाइट रोहिणी RS-1 कामयाबी से खिला में भेज दिया गया, जिसके साथ भारत उन ममालिक में शामिल हो गया जो अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी से सैटेलाइट खला में भेज सकते थे. दोस्तों, रोहिणी 1 और इसकी सीरीज ने हिंदुस्तान की खिला की तहकीक में बुनियाद का काम किया। आज हम इसी अज़म और मेहनत की वजह से दुनिया में खिलाई टेक्नोलॉजी के मैदान में एक मजबूत मकाम रखते हैं। दोस्तों, आप सुन रहे थे हिस्ट्री मिस्ट्री आज वैद के साथ। आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी, तब तक के लिए सुनते रहे रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
आप सुन रहे थे हिस्ट्रीज मिस्ट्रीज। For sales, marketing and brand promotions, write to us on Radio Manu at manu.edu.in.
So join the wave, come along for the ride. Radio Manu 90.0 FM, we're by your side. चलो बात करके देखते हैं.
Your voice, your guide.
आप सुन रहे हैं चैम्प्स ऑन एयर, रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM का चिल्ड्रंस शो।
वेलकम बैक दोस्तों। आपने कुछ नहीं खोया है, इसलिए क्योंकि हमने भी पॉज दे दिया था और अब जब आप वापस आ चुके हैं तो बातों का सिलसिला जारी रखते हैं। जी हाँ, और भी बहुत सारी अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस होंगी, लेकिन पहले थोड़ी सी बात कर ली जाए। तो कैवल्य, अगेन एंड अगेन आई मीन बार बार मेरे मुंह से निकलने को होता है एकलव्य। एकलव्य तो हमें पता है कि क्या है, बट व्हाट इज कैवल्य?
So Kaivalya is a state in which you go to nirvana or moksha. Yeah. That's the name they gave.
ओके,
Yes, it's in Sanskrit only.
अच्छा ये बताओ कि म्यूजिक में तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि क्या चीज है जो डिफिकल्ट बनाती है म्यूजिक को? कुछ लोगों के लिए बनाती है।
हाँ. So as I said in the start, I wasn't really good at music when I started. So the main thing I would say is dedication and discipline, because all of the other skills, the technical skills, you can learn them on the way. Like you learn with experience only. So if you are lethargic with your practice, you won't be able to like properly, I guess, like you won't be able to give your 100% in music. That's the lesson I learned when in my first exam when I got.
So where do you see this difference when you speak that music in a way is difficult, and then if we talk about studies, do you think that they are similar in terms of that your dedication is important in both of them, or when you talk about music, it is a little bit different?
It's mostly the same. Only the discipline and the discipline part is the same, but then the technical skills you need is different. In music, you need like coordination, memory, and all. In studies, you also need memory, but then it's mostly understanding the topic and like utilizing it for like day-to-day applications.
But you said that one of your favorite subjects is maths.
Yeah.
So maths also require a lot of practice. I mean, you can remember or you can by heart the formula.
Yeah.
But then practice.
Yeah, I don't
to
think
doing.
I don't think most of math is formulas. I think it's problem solving, because when you look into the world, you can see like the world won't spoon feed you basically. Okay, so it's similar to math also. Every problem is like kind of jumbled, and that's good because that helps you think critically. In our course, my school course, there's a set of skills that we are trying to develop throughout the years. So one of them is critical thinking. So in critical thinking, you hone your skills in a like unsure environment, in an environment you're not comfortable with, but then you try to overcome your difficulties in that environment.
Now that's quite a new thing that I'm listening from a boy of your age.
Yeah,
So another performance?
sure.
What it is about?
It's an arrangement of piano basically. Yeah.
All right. it was just lovely.
Yeah.
You said that it is a kind of piano arrangement.
Yes.
और थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में बताइए. I couldn't actually understand it.
So most of the songs in commercial, it's created in an orchestra form. As I told in the studio, there's a bunch of programs and systems that layer by layer they compile like different sounds together to make a whole song.
Okay.
So to arrange these songs into piano or any type of instrument, you have to listen to the song and just you have to note by note write down the sheet music for it by notation. Yeah.
All right. So this what you just played.
Yeah.
You need to take notation for it.
Yeah, there's a notation for it.
Okay, but right now you played it without notation.
Yeah.
So
That is a part, that's the memory part of yeah,
Okay,
there's a
of
memorized-
music.
Yeah. That's really helpful in like some situations. Like suppose if you're in live, it won't really look good if you're like you have sheet music in front of you and you're playing, you look like you're unprepared. So yeah, it's best to memorize.
Okay. So what other than music is important in your life? Anything which any of your family member is doing, maybe for community welfare, which you are really, impressed with and you feel really like deeply about it?
Okay, yeah. So there's a bunch of things about that actually.
Mhm.
So, my father works in a software company, but my mother, she goes volunteering in a place near our school. It's called Spurs Hospice. It's a palliative care institute.
Mhm.
So over there, they like take care of terminally ill patients and
Patience. Okay.
yes, like cancer patients, dementia, Parkinson's, and all that. Like in the end stages. So the best thing about that is that they provide free medication. And then they also have like a home transport service. So you can call them to your home and then they can also do.
All right.
Yeah. So
Do
that-
you visit the place sometimes with your mom?
yeah, a lot of times actually.
Hmm.
I've even done like a concert there on Spurs Hospice Day or something. Yeah.
So any message that your mom is so much, doing so much for them.
Yeah.
So कोई ऐसा मैसेज जो तुम्हारे दिमाग में इस चीज को लेकर आता हो? डू यू रियली थिंक कि तुम्हारी मम्मी की ऐसी कौन सी बात है जो जिससे कि वो मतलब जिससे उनको ये प्रेरणा मिलती है ये करने के लिए, और क्या हम सबको किस तरीके से हम लोग इंस्पायर हो सकते हैं उनके इस
Yeah. So I would say that life is short. Like I am young, but I can say that. Like I've seen the my grandmother was also terminally ill, so I've seen a bit of that part of life, and I wouldn't like explain it right now. But then I would say that you have to enjoy life while you have it, and also you have to take care of your health. So like to make their suffering a bit less, we should like make awareness about this place institution because it's a very good institution. As I told, it provides this free medication and all. But then yeah, that not many people know about it, and then it's like they particularly choose to like abandon the ones that have not really abandoned but-
chronically ill,
yeah,
and they
chronically
think
ill.
that it will take away their own life while serving
Yeah,
them
yeah.
or while taking care of them.
Yeah. So that's the sad part about it. Like we have to care about everyone. So it would be good if we like told them about like this place which takes care of such patients. Yeah.
That's a very deep thought.
Yeah.
And I think that yes, लाइफ तो हम सबको मिली है, मगर हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है उसका एक छोटा सा पार्ट भी अगर हम दे सकें उनको जिनको हमारी ज़रूरत है, और hats off to your mama on that.
Yeah.
Okay. Time is for a break again.
Yeah.
So तुम कुछ छोटा सा ऐसा कोई सा कुछ बजा सकते हो कि हम ब्रेक लें, and then you will only have to take the break.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to play a bit of Aane Wala Pal.
Okay.
Or song.
आने वाला पल. Okay.
Yeah. Wait.
सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल ये जो जाने वाला है। दोस्तों मिलते हैं एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद।
You are listening to Champs on Air, Radio Manu 90.0 FM's children's show.
ये है रेडियो मानू, एक कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन।
So join the wave, come along for the ride. Radio Manu 90.0 FM, we're by your side. चलो बात करके देखते हैं.
Your voice, your guide.
ये है रेडियो मानू 90.0 FM। आइए अब सुनते हैं द माइंडफुल मिनट।
अगर आप सिर्फ आज के लिए जी रहे हैं तो आने वाला कल कहीं का नहीं छोड़ेगा। चार्ल्स सैमसन।
Henry David once said, "Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined."
कालिदास ने कहा है, उदय होते समय सूर्य लाल होता है। उदय होते समय सूर्य लाल होता है और अस्त होते समय भी। इसी प्रकार संपत्ति और विपत्ति के समय महान पुरुषों में एक रूपता होती है।
This is Radio Manu 90.0 FM. You were listening to the Mindful Minute. सेल्स, मार्केटिंग और ब्रांड प्रमोशंस के लिए हमसे राब्ता करें radiomanu@manu.edu.in पर।
So join the wave, come along for the ride. Radio Manu 90.0 FM, we're by your side. चलो बात करके देखते हैं.
Your voice, your guide.
You are listening to Champs on Air, Radio Manu 90.0 FM's children's show.
तो ब्रेक के बाद एक बार फिर एक आध और सवाल कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा ये पूरा एपिसोड जो है वो डेडिकेटेड था म्यूजिक को, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी विद इट। तो कैवल्य, ये बताओ कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है म्यूजिक को हम पॉपुलर किस तरह कर सकते हैं, स्पेशली इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूजिक?
Yeah, so I wouldn't say music isn't popular.
No, of course
Like
it is not.
there's separate genres of music that's popular. Like you can, wherever you go, you can hear Arjit Singh or Taylor Swift or anyone. But then it's more of commercial music that they produce. But then the instrumental and the more deeply engraved versions like Carnatic music and like different genres, rock and roll and all shit. The thing is that people don't really know much about them. They're a lot mainstream, so people are really divided into many segments, like whatever they listen to. So there are many artists like Shankar Mahadevan is a band Shakti, is Zakir Hussain, sadly passed away. That's very sad. And yeah, there's many freestyle musicians, jazz and blues and all of that. So it really makes music a kind of twist. It gives music a kind of twist that would make it more interesting. So the way I would say to make music popular is to just promote the new type of music that you want to do. So like you can promote it by releasing new songs or and performing live bands. So basically in our jams we have been doing some of the tougher end of songs, like some of the songs that are hard to like particularly arrange on keyboard and guitar and drums. And so most bands don't play that, and I don't know about other bands, but then like we like in our area we don't know anyone who's playing that. So that gives some kind of variety to the listeners. And that's mostly it. That's how you make music popular.
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली एंड डेफिनेटली ये भी देखकर हमको समझ में आ ही गया है कि हमारे सामने जो बैठे हैं ये आगे भी इस म्यूजिक को छोड़ने वाले नहीं हैं, है ना केवल?
Yeah,
आई कैन से दैट
You
राइट? तो मानते हैं ना दोस्तों कि आज का चैम्प्स ऑन एयर का ये एपिसोड एक सफर था, बड़ा मजेदार सफर. कैवलियर्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सच वंडरफुल थॉट्स. तो दोस्तों, जब भी किसी ऐसे चैम्प से रूबरू होने को मिलता है तो दिल बरबस क्या उठता है, वाह बेटा कमाल कर दिया. और वाकई तुमने कैवलियर कमाल कर दिया.
Yeah, thank
तो दोस्तों, अगर आप भी अपने अंदर के चैम्प को निखारना चाहते हैं, अपना टैलेंट दुनिया के सामने लाना चाहते हैं, तो सीखते रहें, सपने देखते रहें, मेहनत करें और अपनी रूह को हमेशा रोशन रखें. मैं थी आरजे श्रद्धा ऑन रेडियो मानू 90.0 FM. चलो बात करके देखते हैं. अगले एपिसोड में आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी दोस्तों, एक नए चैम्प के साथ. आदाब.
आप सुन रहे थे चैम्प्स ऑन एयर, रेडियो मानू 90.0 FM का चिल्ड्रंस शो.
दिस इज रेडियो मानू 90.0 FM. चलो बात करके देखते हैं.